subject is the word sequence, and I thought that I would do something that I've not tried this, but I thought this might be fun. So if you're familiar with the Fibonacci sequence, which is the Fibos, then you can think of them as if you call them F. You know what? Let's LaTeX this. So F. N plus 2, I guess. The n plus 2th term in the sequence is f sub n plus 1 plus f sub n, right? We're all on board with this as the definition of the Fibonacci sequence. However, what I can do instead is I can say f n plus 2 plus, no, minus, here we go, f sub n plus 1. I love how I'm completely incompetent at everything, but my typing in LaTeX is reasonable. Equals 0, right? I can write this as a series of things that are equal to 0. And if you do this, you'll notice that the coefficients on those terms are 1, minus 1, and minus 1. And in particular, you can use those as the coefficients of a quadratic, because this is a thing that's got two thing, so it's somehow 2e. I'm using a quadratic, so the quadratic that you get from that is x squared, which is a plus 1 coefficient, minus x minus 1, right? And this is called the characteristic polynomial of this sequence, right? And you can use this to generate elements. You can use this to get like a general formula for the sequence. So if you put in some boundary conditions, in this case the first two terms are 1, which is how you do the Fibonacci numbers, then you could use this polynomial to create a general form for terms of this sequence, which I really love. But my absolute favourite thing about this, and I'm talking like someone who's running out of time here, I'm not, I've done really well, I've got like a minute left. Maybe I'll just make a shorter video today, but in fact, what you might be interested to know, stop making LaTeX, I'm all right now, I don't need you to make LaTeX anymore, is if I find the root list, that'll do, of f of x, this will give me the points at which that crosses the, no. What do you want? Oh, you want a list. What does root list even mean? Is it not a list of the roots of a function? Okay, right, fuck it. I'll have to do something slightly stupid here. I'm going to do this. No, I just want that to be on the horizontal axis. There we go. And I'm going to do that. I told you I had loads of time left. It was such a boast that I regret immediately. I'm going to now find the intersection of this with this. And it will give me... No, not the axis. Not... What's G? The fuck? No, oh god, do this better. This function, f, and that axis. Okay, and this gives me some points, which if we look closely and maybe get some more decimal places, no, that's as many as it's given me, all right, cool, are phi and minus phi. Boom, Fibonacci, done. It's not minus phi, it's 1 over phi. You know what I mean.